we should write this linear function, which is x plus 2, is as a time derivative of the function in the denominator, the quadratic function in the denominator, which is x squared minus 1. And what is the derivative of x squared minus 1? That is 2x. A times 2x plus b. Well, this means we can equate the coefficient of x and constant terms. So we get this implies 2a is equal to 1, or a is 1 over 2. If a is 1 over 2 and the constant term also, you see the constant term is 2 here and the constant term is b in the right hand side. So we can say b is equal to 2. This means our x plus 2, which is in the numerator, can be written as 1 by 2 times 2x plus b. B means 2. Yes, 1 by 2 times 2x plus 2. So that's what we are going to do with the numerator of this integral. And how is that going to help you integrate? You will see. In place of x plus 2, we are writing half times 2x plus 2. So this integral will become half time 2x plus 2 in place of x plus 2. We have written this, and it's divided by square root of x squared minus 1. Now we can split this in two parts. The first part by denominator and then 2 by denominator. So this question can be written now. 1 by 2 being constant can be taken out of this integral sign. And you will have 2x divided by square root of x squared minus 1 and plus integration of 2 by under root of x squared minus 1 dx. Just like this constant 1 by 2, we can write this 2 also outside the integral sign being constant, and then this question would look like this. What next? You see, in the first part, I can, okay, if I represent this question by I, let's say this I is equal to whole this question, right? Then our I can be written as I is equal to 1 by 2 times I1. I1 is this part, and plus 2I2 plus 2I2. Now we can integrate both these two parts. In the part 1, I mean in I1 part, so to solve I1, which is equal to integration of 2x divided by square root of x squared minus 1. As you see, the derivative of the function inside the square root in denominator is the numerator, so it makes sense to put x squared minus 1 as t. You put x squared minus 1 is equal to t. That will give you 2x dx is equal to dt. Yes, 2x dx equal to dt, and your I1 should look like, now let's write this I1 here. I1 will be equal to dt by square root of t. Now this means square root t means t to power half. Taken into numerator, that become t to power negative half. And using the formula of x to power n integration, it becomes t to power half plus 1. That is t to power half divided by negative half plus 1. So negative half plus 1 is half, positive half. So you get 2t to power plus c, of course, plus c. So 2t to power half plus c means we are getting 2 square root t plus, since this is I1, let's say the constant is C1. Okay, C1. Now 2 root t plus C1. So our I1 is equal to 2 times, we will retain the value of t, which is x squared minus 1 plus c1. So we get the value of I1, right? I1 is this. In the same manner, we will get the value of I2, and then we will, okay, let's get I2 here in this area. So to get I2, we are now taking this function. I2 is this part, isn't it? So I2 means, let's write here. Now we are finding I2 is equal to integration of 1 over square root x squared minus a squared. Now that is a particular formula. In place of a, we have 1, so x squared minus 1 squared. And this can be written as log of x plus the question as it is, x squared minus 1. This is the formula we're directly applying, and plus c2. So we got the value of I1 and I2. Finally, see, this is here. This value over here was I1. Okay, this value over here is I2. Okay, so now we want to write. I'll just take get some space over here. I'm just I1 and I2. I want to put this value to write final answer. Okay, so this is, I hope you have written all this. Now our I would look like, our I would be equal to half of I1 means 2 times under root x square minus 1, 2 times under root x square minus 1, and plus c1. So half time and plus c1, okay, and plus 2 times, let's yes, so I2 is log of mod x plus under root of x square minus 1 mod closed plus c2. No problem. We are simply placing the value of I1 and I2 in this. And now we can open the bracket and write our final answer. Yes, in terms of, like, we want to represent this answer in just one constant, no? C1, C2. Instead of C1, C2, we want to write in one constant. So this is going to be half times 2, means that is simply square root of x squared minus 1 plus 2 times, we will take the constant at last, all right, 2 times log modulus of x plus square root of x squared minus 1 plus, look, this is half c1 and this is c2, half c1 plus 2c2, isn't it? When you open the bracket, this 2 should be multiplied with c2 also, this half should be multiplied with c1 also, isn't it? So, but this is constant, so we can write c in this place, right? Our final answer would look like I is equal to square root of x squared minus 1 plus 2 times log of x plus under root of x squared minus 1 plus c, where c is this, right? Where you can write, where c is this quantity written inside the box. All right, thank you for now.